The first thing you need to do after the upload of the program is hit the reset button and open the serial monitor. You receive the message, this program tests the shields, but switch in state normally open. Red LED left needs to blink 5 times. If the LED blinked, put switch in normally closed state, so you put the switch in the state NC. Then you get a new message if the switch is working. The new message is press on each button and see if the LED goes on. With every button pressed, a different LED goes on, and when released, the LED goes out. Turn the potentiometer full to the left side. Place the switches normally open state if previous tests are okay, and when the potentiometer is on the left. So you put the potentiometer on the left, so completely on the minimum value. You test the push button, so that's one LED, that's the other LED, that's another LED, that's another LED. So 4 push buttons, 4 LEDs. So we have now tested 5 LEDs and all the switches. The potentiometer is in the right state, so we set the switch, and we get a new message. The new message is turn the potentiometer gently to the right, and we see that the value of the potentiometer is 0. So we turn it and turn and turn and turn, and we are getting the message. If we turn it completely, 1023. The potentiometer reached the max value. Warm up the NTC, you can hold your finger on it, so the NTC is below the potentiometer. And you see that the value increased, so the NTC is also working. Hold your finger until the second value is reached. It's a slow process warming up the device. We're almost there. And the piezo and the LED is on. So you get a value, the NTC works if the red LED on, and you hear tone, NTC test concluded. And if you set the switch, you get we didn't have tested the breakout part, so we didn't test the 7 segments, the phototransistor and the infrared LED. All rest is tested, and we concluded that it all works after soldering the KAEDU shields. And meanwhile, you learn a lot about the programming of an Arduino, because we use in the test program a lot of code that is very familiar to almost every program that you write in Arduino.